Hello all, welcome to Gurukul CAT 100 series, a series designed to take you from your study room to your corporate boardroom. I am Deepak and this is Daily Quant with Deepak. Now coming to day 14, we will be discussing 5 questions from algebra today. So whenever you come across a question on the screen, please pause the video, and once you're done solving, you can resume the video. And if you find this video useful, please like the video, share with your friends, and most importantly, for more videos of this kind, please subscribe to this channel.
So, before you go watch the solutions for these questions, why not take them as a test? Sign up today at www.thegurukul.org.in and get 100 free tests of each subject for 100 days of your CAT preparation. The link is already in the description.
Now coming to the first question, what is the minimum value of f of x given that f of x is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus 5 minus x whole square? And now first let us expand this, right? So this is nothing but x square plus 9 minus 6x plus 25 plus x square minus 10x. Now x square plus x square 2x square minus 6x minus 10x minus 16x plus 9 plus 25 plus 34. Now let me take 2 common. So I can write this as 2 into x square minus 8x plus 17. Now x square minus 8x. Now I will rewrite this as 2 into x square minus 2 into 4 into x. Let me write 17 as 16 plus 1. Now if you observe, this is x square minus 2 into 4 into x plus 16. Now this is a square minus 2ab plus b square, where the value of a is x and b is 4. So I can rewrite this as x minus 4 whole square plus 1, right? So we have condensed x minus 3 whole square plus 5 minus x whole square to 2 into x minus 4 whole square plus 1. Now what would be the minimum value of this, or what would be the minimum value of this? This expression will attain minimum value when x minus 4 whole square is minimum, right? So what is the minimum value of, let us say, a square? Now this is always non-negative, right? So the minimum value of any variable to the power of even number will be 0, right? So this will be minimum when a is equal to 0. Similarly, this expression will be minimum when this part x minus 4 whole square is 0. Now when x minus 4 becomes 0, what is the value of this expression? 2. So the answer for this question should be 2. So the minimum value of f of x is 2, which is attained at when x is equal to 4. Now coming to the second question, in how many points do the line y is equal to 2 and the curve y is equal to mod of x square minus 6x plus 6 meet? So most of the students might try solving this question like this: x square minus 6x plus 6 is equal to 2. So when you remove the modulus, so you'll be having x square minus 6x plus 6 is equal to plus 2, x square minus 6x plus 6 is equal to minus 2. Right. Now this could be solved in the easiest possible way with the help of graphs. Right. Now let me plot the graphs of these two. Now how does the graph of y is equal to 2 look like? Now this is in the form of a straight line because the highest degree is 1 and y is equal to 2. Right. The equation of a line parallel to x-axis will be in the form y is equal to k. So this would be parallel to x-axis and passing through point 0, 2. Now, right? Now this is the graph of y is equal to 2. Now coming to x square minus 6x plus 6. X square minus 6x plus 6. Now this is a upward facing parabola, right? Now let me find the minimum value of this x square minus 6x plus 6, right? So to find the minimum value, we know that minimum value will be, for example, if I compare this with ax square plus bx plus c, this will attain minimum value when x is equal to minus b by 2a, right? Now minus of minus 6 by 2 into 1. Now this is 3. So this would attain minimum value when x is equal to 3. Right, let this be 1, 2, 3. So it will be having minimum value when x is equal to 3. And what is the value of this y when x is equal to 3? Now this would be x square, 3 square 9 minus 18 plus 6. Right. So 9 minus 18 is minus 9, minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. So at 3, it would be the graph of this parabola would be like this. Now this would be the graph of x square minus 6x plus 6. But we have modulus here. What do you mean by modulus? The value cannot be negative, right? So from here to here, fine. From here to this part, fine. But this can't be in quadrant 3, right? And that value is more than 3. So the graph of modulus of x square minus 6x plus 6 looks like this, right? And this point is 3. So this will cut y is equal to 2 at this point, this will cut at this point, this will cut at this point, and one more time here, right? So there will be 4 intersection points between y is equal to 2 and y is equal to modulus of x square minus 6x plus 6. So the answer for this question should be option C, 4. Now coming to third question. If log 3 base 2, log 3 base 2 is 1.58, then find the approximate value of log 72, log 72 base 48. Now let us write 72 and 48 in terms of 3 and 2, log 3 and log 2. Right. Now how can I write 72? Now this would be log 8 into 9 by log 16 into 3. Now this I can write this as log 8 plus log 9 by log 16 plus log 3. Now this would be 3 log 2 plus 2 log 3 by 4 log 2 plus log 3. Now what are we given with? We are given with log 3 by log 2 is equal to 1.58. Now let us divide both numerator and denominator by log 2. Right. Now if I divide both numerator and denominator by log 2, these two will get cancelled. So you have 3 plus 2 into log 3 by log 2 by 4 plus log 3 by log 2. Now we are given with this value being 1.58. So you can replace these two with 1.58 and you can find the answer to log 72 base 48, and this would be approximately 1.1. So the answer for this question should be option A. Now coming to fourth question, the sum of the roots of the equation x square minus 16 mod x plus 55 is equal to 0. Right. Now when I remove the modulus, you will have x square minus 16x plus 55 is equal to 0 when x is positive, and x square plus 16x plus 55 is equal to 0 when x is negative. Right. So most of the students find the roots of this equation and this equation, they will find the sum. Right. Now that's not required. Now let me assume alpha 1 and beta 1 to be the roots of this quadratic equation. Similarly, alpha 2 and beta 2 roots of this quadratic equation. Then we want a sum of these four. Right. Now, what is the sum of the roots of a quadratic equation? Minus b by a. So minus of minus 16 by 1, 16 plus. Now minus b by a, minus 16 by 1, minus 16. You are asked to find the sum of these two. The answer for this question should be 0. Now coming to fifth question. 2 into 25 power x plus 3 into 5 power 2x is equal to 0.008. Now let me write 25 as 5 square. So this becomes 2 into 5 square whole power x, 5 power 2x plus 3 into 5 power 2x. Now this is nothing but 8 by 1000. Now let me take 5 power 2x common. Then you will be having 2 plus 3, 5, which is nothing but 8 by 1000. Now let me write 5 as 10 by 2 and let me cross multiply. So you would be having 5 power 2x is equal to 2 into 8, 16 by 10 into 1000, 10,000. Now let me apply square root to both the sides. Power 1 by 2. Right. So 5 power x is equal to 4 by 100. So for 25 is 100. So this is 1 by 25. Now 1 by 25 can also be written as 5 power x is equal to 5 power minus 2. Since the bases are equal, exponents must also be equal. So the value of x has to be minus 2. Hence option A should be the answer for this question.
Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share and subscribe.